Hello, this is Sophia from daOne Tour. I recently attended ITB Berlin 2026, held from March 3 to March 5 at Messe in Berlin, Germany. Following last year, this was daOne Tour's second participation in ITB Berlin, and this year's event was especially meaningful as it marked the 60th anniversary of the exhibition. As soon as I entered the venue, I could feel the energy of tourism professionals from all around the world gathered in one place. During the exhibition, we held meetings with travel buyers from across Europe, including Germany, Italy, the United Kingdom, France, Bulgaria, and Romania. In particular, there was strong interest in our premium travel program, the K-Noble Tour series. The Korea Pavilion is always one of the busiest areas of the exhibition. In addition to introducing Korean tourism, visitors could also participate in hands-on Korean cultural experience programs. It was impressive to see people creating their own souvenirs and experiencing Korean culture firsthand. daOne Tour also prepared small gifts for our buyers. We presented magnets featuring beautiful landscapes of Korea, sharing a glimpse of the country's charm with our partners. Recently, global interest in traveling to Korea has been growing rapidly, along with the rise of K-culture. daOne Tour will continue to work with partners around the world to introduce the beauty of Korea to more travelers. Your trusted Korea DMC partner, daOne Tour. See you in Korea!